بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most compassionate.
سبحان الذي أسرى بعبده ليلا من المسجد الحرام إلى المسجد الأقصى الذي باركنا حوله لنريه من آياتنا إنه هو السميع البصير.
Holy is he who carried his servant by night from the holy mosque in Mecca to the farther mosque in Jerusalem, whose surroundings we have blessed, that we might show him some of our signs. Indeed, he alone is all-hearing, all-seeing.
وآتينا موسى الكتاب وجعلناه هدى لبني إسرائيل ألا تتخذوا من دوني وكيلا.
We gave Moses the book and made it a source of guidance for the children of Israel, commanding, "Take no other guardian beside me."
ذرية من حملنا مع نوح إنه كان عبدا شكورا.
You are the descendants of those whom we carried in the ark with Noah. He was truly a thankful servant.
وقضينا إلى بني إسرائيل في الكتاب لتفسدن في الأرض مرتين ولتعلن علوا كبيرا.
Then we clearly declared to the children of Israel in the book, "Twice you will make mischief in the land and will commit transgression."
فإذا جاء وعد أولاهما بعثنا عليكم عبادا لنا أولي بأس شديد فجاسوا خلال الديار وكان وعدا مفعولا.
So, when the occasion for the first of the transgressions arrived, we raised against you some of our creatures who were full of might, and they ran over the whole of your land. This was a promise that was bound to be fulfilled.
ثم رددنا لكم الكرة عليهم وأمددناكم بأموال وبنين وجعلناكم أكثر نفيرا.
Then we granted you an upper hand against them, and strengthened you with wealth and children, and multiplied your numbers.
إن أحسنتم أحسنتم لأنفسكم وإن أسأتم فلها فإذا جاء وعد الآخرة ليسوءوا وجوهكم وليدخلوا المسجد كما دخلوه أول مرة وليتبروا ما علوا تتبيرا.
Whenever you did good, it was to your own advantage, and whenever you committed evil, it was to your own disadvantage. So when the time of the fulfillment of the second promise arrived, we raised other enemies that would disfigure your faces and enter the temple of Jerusalem as they had entered the first time, and destroy whatever they could lay their hands on.
عسى ربكم أن يرحمكم وإن عدتم عدنا وجعلنا جهنم للكافرين حصيرا.
Your Lord may well show mercy to you. But if you revert to your evil behavior, we shall revert to chastising you. We've made hell a prison for those who are thankless of Allah's bounties.
إن هذا القرآن يهدي للتي هي أقوم ويبشر المؤمنين الذين يعملون الصالحات أن لهم أجرا كبيرا.
Verily, this Quran guides to the way that is the straightmost, to those who believe in it and do righteous works. It gives the good news that a great reward awaits them.
وأن الذين لا يؤمنون بالآخرة أعتدنا لهم عذابا أليما.
And warns those who do not believe in the hereafter that we have prepared for them a grievous chastisement.
ويدعو الإنسان بالشر دعاءه بالخير وكان الإنسان عجولا.
Man prays for evil in the manner he ought to pray for good. Man is ever hasty.
وجعلنا الليل والنهار آيتين فمحونا آية الليل وجعلنا آية النهار مبصرة لتبتغوا فضلا من ربكم ولتعلموا عدد السنين والحساب وكل شيء فصلناه تفصيلا.
We've made night and day as two signs. We made the sign of the night devoid of light, and made the sign of the day radiant, that you may seek the bounty of your Lord, and know the computation of years and numbers. Thus we have expounded everything in detail to keep everything distinct from the other.
وكل إنسان ألزمناه طائره في عنقه ونخرج له يوم القيامة كتابا يلقاه منشورا.
We have fastened every man's omen to his neck. On the day of resurrection, we shall produce for him his scroll in the shape of a wide open book, saying,
اقرأ كتابك كفى بنفسك اليوم عليك حسيبا.
Read your scroll. This day you suffice to take account of yourself.
من اهتدى فإنما يهتدي لنفسه ومن ضل فإنما يضل عليها ولا تزر وازرة وزر أخرى وما كنا معذبين حتى نبعث رسولا.
He who follows the right way shall do so to his own advantage, and he who strays shall incur his own loss. No one shall bear another's burden, and never do we punish any people until we send a messenger to make the truth distinct from falsehood.
وَإِذَا أَرَدْنَا أَن نُهْلِكَ قَرْيَةً أَمَرْنَا مُتْرَ فِيهَا فَفَسَقُوا فِيهَا فَحَقَّ عَلَيْهَا الْقَوْلُ فَدَمَّرْنَاهَا تَدْمِيرًا.
When we decide to destroy a town, we command the affluent among them, whereupon they commit sins in it. Then the decree of chastisement becomes due against them, and thereafter we destroy that town utterly.
وَكَمْ أَهْلَكْنَا مِنَ الْقُرُونِ مِنْ بَعْدِ نُوحٍ وكفى بربك بذنوب عباده خبيرا بصيرا.
Many a generation has been destroyed by our command since Noah's time. Your Lord is well aware and fully observant of the sins of His servants.
من كان يريد العاجلة عجلنا له فيها ما نشاء لمن نريد ثم جعلنا له جهنم يصلاها مذموما مدحورا.
If anyone desires immediate benefits, we hasten to grant whatever benefits we will in the present life, to whomsoever we please. But thereafter we decree for him hell, wherein he shall burn, condemned and rejected.
ومن أراد الآخرة وسعى لها سعيها وهو مؤمن فأولئك كان سعيهم مشكورا.
But he who desires the hereafter and strives for it in the manner he should and is a true believer, his striving will come to fruition.
كلا نمد هؤلاء وهؤلاء من عطاء ربك وما كان عطاء ربك محظورا.
To all of these, as well as those, we shall provide the wherewithal of this life in the present world by dint of your Lord's bounty, and from none shall the bounty of your Lord be withheld.
انظر كيف فضلنا بعضهم على بعض وللآخرة أكبر درجات وأكبر تفضيلا.
See how we've exalted some above others in this world, and in the life to come they will have higher ranks and greater degrees of excellence over others.
لا تجعل مع الله إلها آخر فتقعد مذموما مخذولا.
Do not set up any other God with Allah, lest you are rendered humiliated and helpless.
وقضى ربك ألا تعبدوا إلا إياه وبالوالدين إحسانا إما يبلغن عندك الكبر أحدهما أو كلاهما فلا تقل لهما أف ولا تنهرهما وقل لهما قولا كريما.
Your Lord has decreed, do not worship any but Him. Be good to your parents, and should both or any of them attain old age with you, do not say to them even, Fie, neither chide them, but speak to them with respect.
واخفض لهما جناح الذل من الرحمة وقل رب ارحمهما كما ربياني صغيرا.
And be humble and tender to them, and say, Lord, show mercy to them, as they nurtured me when I was small.
ربكم أعلم بما في نفوسكم إن تكونوا صالحين فإنه كان للأوابين غفورا.
Your Lord is best aware of what is in your hearts. If you are righteous, He will indeed forgive those who relent and revert to serving Allah.
وآت ذا القربى حقه والمسكين وابن السبيل ولا تبذر تبذيرا.
Give to the near of kin his due, and also to the needy and the wayfarer. Do not squander your wealth wastefully.
إن المبذرين كانوا إخوان الشياطين وكان الشيطان لربه كفورا.
For those who squander wastefully are Satan's brothers, and Satan is ever ungrateful to his Lord.
وَإِمَّا تُعْرِضَنَّ عَنْهُمُ ابْتِغَاءَ رَحْمَةٍ مِّن رَّبِّكَ تَرْجُوهَا فَقُل لَّهُمْ قَوْلًا مَّيْسُورًا.
And when you must turn away from them, that is from the destitute, the near of kin, the needy, and the wayfarer, in pursuit of God's mercy which you expect to receive, then speak to them kindly.
ولا تجعل يدك مغلولة إلى عنقك ولا تبسطها كل البسط فتقعد ملوما محسورا.
Do not keep your hand fastened to your neck, nor outspread it, altogether outspread, for you will be left sitting rebuked, destitute.
إن ربك يبسط الرزق لمن يشاء ويقدر إنه كان بعباده خبيرا بصيرا.
Certainly, your Lord makes plentiful the provision of whomsoever He wills, and straightens it for whomsoever He wills. He is well aware and is fully observant of all that relates to His servants.